Have you ever wondered how some animals become masters of the night? Meet the whippoorwill, an unassuming bird with a night hunting secret. With its exceptional camouflage, it blends seamlessly into the forest floor, allowing it to lie in wait for unsuspecting insects. As dusk falls, it utilizes its silent flight and acute hearing to detect tiny movements from above. In a split second, the whippoorwill swoops down with incredible speed, capturing its prey effortlessly. This master of stealth showcases the extraordinary tactics hidden in nature's shadows, proving that even the quietest creatures can be deadly hunters.